Calculate the rate at which the compounds are reacting. CO2 has an average rate of formation of 0.002. What you need to do first in these problems is make sure that your reaction is balanced. You can always check it on the side by saying that there's 5 carbon, so you write a 5. On your left there's 5 carbon, so you write a 5. On hydrogen, on the left side you have 12, so you write it here. 2 times 6 gives you 12, so you write it here. And for oxygen, 2 times 8 is 16, so you wrote that on your right. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16 on your left. Now we can write the rate equation. Your reactant side is negative. This is just a 1, so 1 over 1. Over here we have an 8, so it's negative 1 over 8. Here it's positive 1 over 5, and here it's positive 1 over 6. Now what we're going to do is plug in 0.002 for our CO2, which will be right here. So we're going to rewrite our rate. So rate equals, we can ignore those ones now, change in the concentration of C5H12 over change in time equals negative 1 over 8, change in the concentration of oxygen over change in time. Here's where we're going to plug in our 0.002. We have 1/5 times 0.002, and don't forget your unit. And we keep writing our rate equation, 1 over 6 times change in the concentration of water. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can solve for the rate of formation of this one, and this one. We're going to do that one at a time. So first we have C5H12, and that one's rate of formation is found by multiplying -1, since this is an understood 1, times 1/5 times 0.002, and that gives us a rate of formation of -0.0004. Don't forget your unit. So that's that one's rate of formation. Next, we're going to do the rate of formation for oxygen. So over here, O2, we have -1 over 8. So in this case, we're going to shift the 8 up and keep the negative. So we're going to have -8 times 1/5 times 0.002. When you multiply that, you should get -0.0032. Don't forget your unit. And lastly, we want to find the concentration of the rate at which water is reacting. So we're going to do the same thing, except this time it's positive. We have 1 over 6, so this goes up and it's a positive 6. So for H2O, we have 6 times 1/5 times 0.002, and that should give you 0.0024. Don't forget your unit.